Hey guys, Adam and Nick with the ezops team here. We want to make a quick video to kind of discuss what are the next steps. So often we come in, we have a nice meeting, you guys kind of get to know about our product, and then people want to know, okay, well, like what happens between when we like it and it's in my field. So
yeah, sometimes the biggest fear is, okay, you take on this new product and you think, okay, so I have to learn this whole thing on my own. I have no help to get things done and all that. And the truth of the matter is that's not what it is. We're here through every step of the way. We want to be involved. We know and we have found out that it's necessary. We need to help people get
we're on the journey together. And like we're still learning, you're still learning, and basically we all have the same goal, which is to help operators be the best they can be.
Absolutely.
So generally speaking, the next step, first thing we do is a kind of a big data scoop. So we'll suck in whatever data you can give us. So we'll take any of your log sheets, pigging sheets, any of the paper crap you got, Excel files, PDFs, whatever inspections you want made, all of that crap, we suck it in and we kind of digest it for a little bit, and then we slowly start grinding away on making sure that we get that accurately put into our program. So
absolutely,
we like to do this setup because it is a little more complicated.
It is.
And we're happy to...
And it allows us to ensure that we're giving you an optimal product. Like we like to tailor this to be perfect for you. We know how to do that. We have the questions we'll ask you to make sure you get the best experience out of these jobs.
Yeah, so step one, get the basic setup done, and then generally we come back to you with a couple of questions because this isn't our first rodeo. We've set up many clients on this system, so we're starting to see a trend of what people are looking for and can sometimes offer some suggestions to be like, hey, you know what? There's a big chunk of functionality here that your company doesn't do in whatever way. Why don't you give it a try?
That's right, and we really do strive for perfection. We know it needs to be perfect, if not perfect, extremely close. We need it to be smooth for the operators. We can't allow this to hinder anything along the way. It only can help, and we get that way. So the way that it goes, we give us some data. We get about 88% of the way. We ask you some questions. We get about 90% of the way. And then we'd love to maybe come to your site, check things out, talk to your operators, make sure things are perfect. If they're not, we can fix them around the spot for you to get it perfect.
So most of the configuration is easy enough to fix on the spot, and what we can't, we send back to the Zop shop and get her done.
Absolutely.
But it does have to completely mimic your workflow. So that's a big thing for us, is that we want to make ourselves completely available to you guys in this process to make sure that your staff knows how to use the product. Because if your guys... My product on its own is great, but with no operators is completely useless.
Yes, you need the operators to buy in, and you need them to use it.
So one of the other resources we have, so we'll come to site, we'll deal with you, we dish out all the business cards, try and get people to talk to us, try and check in with you daily, and then slows down to weekly and then monthly.
Yep.
And we do monitor the tasking system and check everything every day to make sure everything's turning over correctly. But we also have quite a video system.
Absolutely. So I'll go ahead and just show that. So we're there in person. But we also have videos to help with some common tasks. They're on our website here. We also have a YouTube channel. So basically everything to get your operators educated using ezops. Eventually you get your pro users in your organization, and it trickles down. They show them how to use it. But to get them up there, you can use us as a resource, can use our videos as a resource, whatever is best for you guys.
Yeah, our goal is that you probably have a foreman or an area foreman character that becomes kind of a dominant user in ezops and can help train everyone. But we recognize that takes time, right? You got to get in there, got to use it, got to learn how to ask the right questions, and we gotta learn to work as a team to make that happen, and that's a huge priority for us. Because if you can't be comfortable asking questions, we've screwed up in the design somehow, and we need to know that information.
No, and that's often a component missing in these software products. Is you need to be confident with people selling the product. It's not just an empty box for you to figure out. We're here along the way. We want you to have a good experience.
If you're
not having a good experience, then we're failing. It's got to be good for you.
Yeah, so that's ezops. We got to be good for you. Thanks, guys.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching. Take care.